We are now. We're smoking fish on the grill, trout on the grill, buddy. Here we are. The handle did not get hot. You can hold the handle. You will not burn yourself. You can hold the steak. You will not burn yourself. We're cooking over charcoal and applewood. We had tomahawk pork steaks we've cooked. We've cooked barbecue beans and bacon. We had burgers, which we've eaten. It's a lovely day. Perfect location. Let's have another look at the grill, buddy. Let's have a closer look at this fish here. Yes. Fantastic.
You need a big tablet for that, okay.
That's all, folks, from the barbecue pit.